Métis artist here in Calgary in Boquenstis, Ottawaskani. I have a studio practice where I oil paint, work with textiles, and think about public art and how to bring public art to the community. I think probably like the first time I got involved with public art was a call. Well, the city of Calgary, they were having a Canada 150 celebration as well and combining it in 2016 at the Olympic Plaza. And they were looking for installations that were interactive and appropriate for all ages and had like a light element. At the same time, I had just started creating these like dancers for Contemporary Calgary. They do a fundraiser every year. And my friends were on the committee for the factory party because we used to throw the factory parties previously. Yeah, so they'd asked me to create something, and so I made these 5 women kind of based on the idea of like Indigenous dancing circles as well as Métis's, like the dance. So that there's these pink figures, these like flowing black hair and breasts, and it was a lot of fun. So I thought, and then I thought for the city, I was like, well, if I added like a 3D light, programmable, I'm like, that could be interesting. And my daughter was really young at the time, and every time she would see an air dancer at like the car lots, she would always get excited, so I thought other kids would also enjoy it. So that was my first experience, and I was told there was like 30,000, or was it even more? Was it 30,000 or 300 people like came down to the event, and it was just incredible, and the impact was so different.